Financial institutions today are facing rapid changes in payment infrastructures across new regulations and messaging formats. Meeting these challenges requires a strategic response to revisit IT infrastructure, business processes, and financial messaging workflows. FMH is a financial message service hub operated in a secured and trusted cloud that can centralize the straight-through processing, STP, of multiple financial workflows. FMH interacts with payment market infrastructures including SWIFT, ACH, RTGS, without significant investment in your own IT infrastructure. FMH has been tailored to the needs of financial institutions, banks, funds managers, payment service providers, and corporates. With FMH, you can automate message workflow between bank back office and market infrastructure on SWIFT. You can optimize operational cost. You can migrate to ISO 20022 standards seamlessly and go live on SWIFT instantly. You can use a rich set of tools and connectors that can be tailored to your needs, such as rule-based access and workflow, AML filtering sanctions lists, real-time dashboard, or 4 eyes authorization. You can also integrate FMH with a complete solution for anti-money laundering management that allows you to retain and consult transaction history for a specified period. How about your advantages? You can enjoy an instant SWIFT connectivity, reduce total cost of ownership and IT operations maintenance, and utilize a pay-per-use service model. Now, what are you waiting for to control all your payment workflows on a single web interface? Contact us today to discover EastNets Financial Message Hub solution.